are poised to come to the market while new contracts fell this week. It's Friday, March 1st, 2024. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. This is the Maryland Eastern Shore Report. Inventory continues to rise as buyer contract activity slowed. Inventory rose 4% this week to 1,392. 93 properties are coming soon, unchanged from last report. 185 came to the market since last week, a rise of 2%. 83 went under contract, a rise of 43%. 80 moved pending, falling 9%. 111 sold at 97.1% list to sold ratio, and days before contract is up to 26. The highest priced home to sell was in Bozeman for $4 million. Rentals on the shore fell to 107, offered at $2,050 per month. That's a wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report for Friday, March 1st, 2024. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. Stay safe. I'll see you next week. Take care.